back, everyone. Okay, so the one thing we need to do is make sure that our text is aligned to the top. And so, how do we do that? Well, basically, let's just go ahead and type in v_align equals top. Okay, and if we add in the break here, and we type in just text, and we go ahead and we copy and paste this, right? Now, this one doesn't quite work, but if we go ahead and copy vertical line or v-align to here, you can see that this just moved up to the top. And I'm going to actually do the same thing here. So now what happens here is that the text is going to be aligned at the top. And I think that's kind of cool. So now this actually looks a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all these breaks here. And now, even though it doesn't look like we've done anything now, we've actually added some important piece of code. I'll see you guys next time.